Here we're going to look at stop lines and advanced stop lines on traffic lights. So what you'll see is you've got those two stop lines. The forward one is for bicycles, so vehicles can see them. And the one I'm pointing to now is for cars. Now you see this car's gone over, and there wasn't really a reason it's gone over. Maybe they're a learner, maybe they've made a bit of a mistake and they're going to learn from this. But it's really important to stop there because you can see big vehicles swing wide. So by stopping by the advanced line, at least they haven't gone too far. A little bit further could have been an issue. Now, if you take a look at the stop line to the other side of the road, this is where you are meant to stop on the first line that the driver comes to. So the advanced one, the one ahead at the top, is for cyclists. So cars have got more time to see them. They can get straight so that if they're a little bit wobbly. But this vehicle is doing it correct, where literally they stop at the front stop line there. That's where you're meant to stop. So I hope this is a quick explanation, explains how these work and it helps you in your driving journey.